Every dollar begins not in a vault, but in the soil. Raw cotton is harvested with precision, preserving fiber strength.
Fiber integrity matters long before ink ever touches paper. Harvested cotton is immediately prepared for bulk handling.
From field to processing, timing is critical. Ginning facilities begin cotton's transformation. Raw cotton enters controlled industrial flow.
Moisture is reduced to protect fiber quality. Cotton is compacted for traceable transport.
Each bale becomes part of a controlled inventory. Traceability begins long before currency exists. Every dollar can be traced back to its fiber. Prepared cotton moves towards specialized facilities. This is only the beginning of a dollar's life. Once secured, the cotton enters a controlled logistics chain.
Every mile is monitored, every load accounted for. Transport routes are predefined and logged.
Security begins long before production starts.
Only approved materials enter currency-grade facilities.
Precision matters even at the dock. The cargo is exposed only under control. Handling follows strict material protocols. From transport to processing, continuity is preserved. Only approved material proceeds. Each batch is staged for controlled release. The cotton approaches its transformation. This facility exists for one purpose alone. Every entrance is designed for control. Each zone has a single function. Even entry air is controlled.
This is where cotton meets industry.
Fiber now begins its irreversible change.
Cotton becomes pulp under controlled force. The material moves without exposure. Fiber dimensions are engineered here.
Consistency is measured continuously.
Uniformity is allowed to stabilize. Durability is engineered at the molecular level.
Currents paper begins to take shape.
Only perfect pulp survives this stage. Imperfection is isolated immediately. The dollar's signature fabric is formed.
Verification never pauses.
Standards are enforced by science. A line advances toward formation.
This is the moment paper is born.
Fiber becomes form. The first mechanical breakdown awaits. Systems work together as one. The transformation is about to begin. Each pass increases purity. Strength lies in uniform fibers. Separate inputs become one process. Final surface cleaning ensures purity. Environment now becomes a variable. Environment now becomes a variable. Paper-grade fiber demands stability. Positioning is exact. Fiber regains its form. Preparation begins immediately. Water is removed, strength is introduced. The paper gains its signature feel. Drying is controlled to the degree. The dollar's body now exists.
Heat replaces moisture with stability.
Balance is constantly measured.
Durability is engineered into the surface.
Nothing is left to chance. Every layer must be locked in place. Human hands refine machine output. Alignment prepares for security features. Security begins beneath the surface. Protection is woven into the fiber.
Complexity remains invisible to most.
Thickness defines trust. Nothing escapes inspection. The foundation of money is complete. Automation now takes full control.
Precision replaces tolerance.
Human oversight validates automation.
Perfection is enforced mechanically. Nothing contaminates the core product. Defects are detected at speed. Every millimeter is recorded.
Corruption replaces interruption.
Machines adapt in real time. Stability prepares for identity. Redundancy protects continuity. Flow must never break.
Prepared for failure, designed to avoid it.
Timing is synchronized. The next identity is visual. Automation delivers the paper to its final form. Now, money begins to look like money. Precision printing defines authenticity. Only engraved lines retain ink. Texture becomes a security feature. Detail emerges at microscopic scale. Speed never compromises precision. Each side carries its own complexity. Balance is maintained front to back. Misalignment is not an option.
Security evolves with perception.
Movement reveals authenticity. The smallest details carry the highest trust. Time is engineered out of the process. Every note is judged instantly.
Defects are isolated, not ignored.
Separation begins carefully. Order replaces motion. Accuracy compounds at every stage. The notes prepare to be judged. Only perfection proceeds. This is where trust is verified. Every detail is measured against perfection. Nothing escapes digital scrutiny.
Human eyes confirm machine judgment.
Texture tells its own story.
Invisible layers reveal themselves.
Precision lives at the smallest scale. Uniformity defines reliability. Durability is proven, not assumed. Strength is engineered into the fiber. Strength is engineered into the fiber. Data becomes decision. Only approved notes continue. Preparation for release begins.
Every batch carries accountability.
The process nears its end.
From inspection to circulation. Approved currency moves forward. The final stage begins. Completion is now inevitable. Protection is applied for the final journey. Security is locked into place.
Every package carries identity.
Currency waits under constant watch. Inventory becomes intelligence.
The product leaves controlled storage.
Transport is as secure as production.
Responsibility transfers, not trust.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.